First challenge was, could we work? You know, when they announced lockdown, it was like, should we be working? Can we work? So I took a bit of time working that out, and how we could do it and keep myself and everyone else safe.
Because of the impact, which has been huge to the business, what we've had to do is really just turn everything up on the heads. 95% of the business was supplying pubs, and like every small microbrewery in the country, probably in the same position.
The biggest challenge was, where do we get a customer from, because all the shops were closed and weren't asking, the hotels were closed.
Fortunately, we ended up developing contacting a company who produced 5 litre mini kegs. So what we're able to do is we use those to transfer the stock over into the mini kegs and send those out to the customers.
We've supplied 6 ones for about a year, and what's happened is that what they used to order in sort of 3 to 6 months, they're now ordering every fortnight. So we've had to massively scale up what we do and almost preempt it in terms of the ordering.
It's not just about buying a product, it's about supporting the local community and people who would actually buy in your shop if you own one, or buy produce from the company that you work for. And it's important for them to actually know what is local and what isn't. And myself, we're very fortunate, we're part of SEBA, which is a Society for Independent Brewers. With SEBA themselves, they actually produce a logo, which is there, which basically is so people can actually be aware they are buying beer from a local independent provider.
Please just don't forget that these small businesses are still here, and we can very often supply you when others can't. So when the supermarkets just couldn't get stuff in quickly enough, we could, because we're working on a smaller scale.